Hey, this is Joe with H4H. We're doing a video here on a full kitchen remodel we're just about finished up with. Come check out some of the features we got here. We got these 54-inch uppers that go all the way to the top of a 9-foot ceiling. We got the double pantry here for extra storage. We got a coffee bar over here. We're waiting on a couple of cabinet doors. We had to cut this cabinet down to fit this fridge in here. We got the big sink here with the backsplash that goes all the way around the window. We got this cool little cup washing feature. We also got this island over here that's got waterfall countertops, extra storage cabinets over here, and lots of storage and drawers on the other side. We got a pull-out microwave, soft closed drawers, but my favorite part about this kitchen is the 48-inch range, the pot filler, dual ovens, and the spice cabinets. So if you want to check us out, come look us up. H4H Remodeling and Repairs.com.